Hey everybody, I'm going to do a quick tutorial here for beginners first setting up your project. Just kind of some small things. This video is not going to go over actual modeling techniques, processes, tools, and all that. It's just going to go over kind of setting up your environment here, just kind of save your settings so you don't have to find yourself like repeating. So we're going to go over three things. Number one is being able to change your units of measurement if you want to. Also showing the overlays for that so you can see when you're modeling like the lengths, the square footages of your faces and different things of that nature. If you want to leave that on or off, it doesn't matter, whatever you choose to do and where that is. And then also if y'all have ever seen any videos of people always saying, hey, delete the default cube that's in your project and just add a new one, there's a reason for that. I'm going to show you. So on the first thing, if you want to change your units of measurement, which defaults to metric right now, which is like millimeters, centimeters, kilometers. If you go to scene properties and then go over to unit system, you can change it from metric to imperial. Once you do that, your drop downs should change and you should see like miles, inches, feet, so on and so forth. So you can change that to imperial if you want to. The second thing is actually showing your measurements. So what you want to do is you have to be in edit mode. So if you just click on the cube that's in the scene and hit tab, we'll be in edit mode. And then I just deselected everything. You can actually double tap A or click A to highlight all, or double tap it really fast to unselect it. But if you go over here in edit mode, go to show overlays, and then go down here to the bottom to measurement. You got edge length, face area, and then you got angles for each one also. I'm not going to go over angles, but if you turn on edge length and face area, and then like click on this face, you're going to notice my cube shows it's 2 foot squared, which in the center on this face, is equivalent to 4 square feet. And it'll show that in real time as you extrude, make it bigger, whatever you do to it, it'll update in real time to show you what it is. You can also highlight and all, you can see every edge all at the same time. So if this is the first time you're creating a project, your cube is probably not going to show this. It's probably going to show like I think 6 square feet all the way around, which is a huge cube. And I think that's the main reason why people delete the default cube. So what you want to do is just click on that cube. Let's say we'll go back into object mode just by hitting tab again, select that cube. You can hit X to delete, or delete key on your keyboard. And then if you want to add one, you can go to the add thing here and go back to cube, or you can hold down shift and then hit A and you'll pull up the context menu, and then you can just add the cube back. Now this cube that you add should be that 2 square foot, which is relative to what you would think a box would be, in your house or something. I mean, we don't normally have 6 foot tall squared boxes. So this just kind of gives you an idea of when you're looking at this cube, the scale size of what you're dealing with in Blender, and you can also see that by your grid lines also. So after you do that, the idea is that we're going to save this. And all you have to do, once you've got this set, all these settings the way you want it to, if you want to show the overlays and you change the scene, just go up here to File, and then go to Defaults, and then hit Save Startup File. And when you do that, this little context menu pops up. If you move your mouse too fast, it'll go away. It'll disappear and you'll never see it. I made that mistake a few times and wonder why my file wasn't saving. So you have to click it and then click this one also and hit Save Startup File. And once you do that, it's saved, so that now, no matter if you're starting a new project, it's going to come back with those default settings that you have there. And that's basically it. So hopefully this helps some people getting started, so you don't find yourself changing all this stuff each time you make a new project. And I'm going to jump the bandwagon and say happy blending.